say, hey, Eric, what's night sky cooling? This very much looks like the results of night sky cooling. What is night sky cooling? Imagine you're your roof. Weird, I know. You've got the sun in the morning and throughout the day heating up the shingles and heating up the plywood. Because the roof is so well ventilated for a summertime heat, what happens is the second the sun goes down, the temperature drops instantaneously. What happens is cold air from the ridge actually moves its way down through the roof and actually forms frost on the underside of sheathing. Once the frost melts, then it gets wet and it's just an ongoing process. So when you see this sort of mildew forming on the underside of your sheathing in your roof, not always guaranteed, but it's pretty much guaranteed that it's probably night sky cooling. Now you know.